Hello everyone, Ziaos on this side. Extremely sorry for not uploading any lectures since long time. But still, thank you. Thank you very much for supporting me in such a tough time. I am assuring you that I'll be continuously uploading lectures henceforth. As we all know, today we had NEET 2020 examination and I am here to bring you the solution of that exam. One thing to be clear, these all are my answers which may or may not be 100% correct, but I tried to give my best. So let's get started. Question number 1, it is identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. Here I am directly going with the answer. It is the higher H plus concentration in alveoli which favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. This is wrong. Basically, the formation of oxyhemoglobin is caused with the help of oxygen. Question number 2. Which of the following refers to correct example of organism which have evolved due to changes in environment brought about by anthropogenic action? One thing, anthropogenic action means man-made actions. So, if I will be dealing directly with the answer, the only answer which will be eliminated will be Darwin's finches of Galapagos Island. Men do not had anything to do with the formation of the Darwin's finches or the adaptive radiation. So option A will be directly eliminated and our answer is option second, that is B, C and the D. Herbicide resistant weed, drug resistant eukaryotes and the man created breed of domesticated animals like dogs. Question number 3, which of the following is not an inhibitory substance governing seed dormancy? It was gibberellin which acts as the dormancy breaker. So it will be not the inhibitory substance. Question number 4. We have to match the diseases with the causative organism and select the correct option. If I will be dealing with the causative agent of typhoid, it is none other than Salmonella typhi. If I have to deal with the pneumonia, it is Haemophilus influenzae. If I have to deal with the filariasis, it will be Wucheria bancrofti. And the fourth and the last one, malaria, it is Plasmodium vivax. So the option number 1 is correct. Now, dealing with the question number 5. Select the correct events that occur during the inspiration. My direct answer is D, option A and B. It is a contraction of the diaphragm and the contraction of external inner intercostal muscles. This is the exact correct answer. Deal with this. Question number 6. The oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme in the photorespiration leads to the formation of 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound. It leads to the formation of 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound, that is what we call as a pyruvic acid. Question number 7. In light reaction, plastoquinone facilitates the transfer of electrons from. So for this case you have to deal with the diagram of the light reaction, and if you will be dealing, you will be coming on to the conclusion that the electrons have been transferred from the PS2, that is what we call as the photosystem 2, to the cytochrome B6F complex. Okay, deal with. Question number 8. In gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of, it's a chemical called as ETBr, or what the full form is ethidium bromide, which is under the UV radiation you will be getting the perfect results. Question number 9. The QRX complex in the standard ECG. Basically the ECG contains P wave, QRX complex and the T wave. Deal with. So the QRX complex will be directly giving you the answer, depolarization of ventricles. Do remember one thing, that there are some answers which are general knowledge based type, and this question is one of them. Either you know the answer or you don't know the answer. Question number 10. Now, dealing with the question number 10, here the plant parts which consist of 2 generations, one within the other, which means there are 2 generations in one single part, and that is none other than option A and the option D. The pollen grain inside the anther and the embryo sac within the ovule. This is the correct answer. The infectious, question number 11, the infectious stage of Plasmodium that enters the human body is, basically we call it as the spores or the sporozoite. We call that as the spore or the sporozoite. Again, the general knowledge type of question. Either you know the answer or you don't know the answer. You cannot guess the answer. Question number 12. Identify the incorrect statement. This time you have to deal with I had to deal with all the 4 options, and then I came to the conclusion that the sapwood is not the innermost secondary xylem. Yes, sapwood is lighter in color, but still it is not the innermost secondary xylem. So this will be the incorrect answer. Question number 13. It is a flipper of the penguin and the dolphins are examples of. So basically the flipper of the penguin and the flipper of the dolphin are doing the same thing, but they are not exactly sharing the same origin. Rather they are convergent evolution. They are the convergent evolution, or what we call as the, ultimately, like these are the parts or the organs which do not have the same origin, rather they have 2 different origin. Question number 14. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the gene I that controls the ABO blood group. Here you just have to go for the answer option number 2, called as when gene IA and the IB, these are the alleles, are present together, they express the same type of sugar. This is not correct at all. If the alleles are different, they have to prepare different type of the sugar. So this will be the incorrect one. Now question number 15. Which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? So I have gone for the answer B and the C, that is in vertebrata notochord is present during the embryonic period only, and the central nervous system is dorsal and the hollow. According to me, this answer is correct one. Question number 16, if I will be dealing, the presence of which of the following condition in which urine is the indicative of diabetes mellitus. Do remember diabetes mellitus they are asking. So it will be the presence of the urea and the presence of the ketone bodies will be the indication for the diabetes mellitus, and that's none other than option number 4th one. Question number 17, if I have to deal with the first phase of the translation. Is the first phase of the translation is the formation of amino-acyl tRNA. The first phase of the translation is the formation of amino-acyl tRNA. That is what here the option is given, amino-acylation of tRNA. Question number 18 is a kind of general knowledge again. The ray florets, they are the example of inferior ovary. You just have to go through this. Question number 19 again. The process of growth is maximum during. Basically the growth has 3 phases: lag phase, log phase, and the stationary phase. And the lag phase is the starting one, whereas the log phase will be the maximum growth of all time. So ultimately it's the option D, or the option 4th. Deal with. Now question number 20. Here they are saying that the roots that originate from the base of the stem, well, like the small roots which are originating from the base of the stem, are called as fibrous roots. Question number 21. In water hyacinth and water lily, pollination takes place by. Here pollination do not takes place with the help of water, rather the pollination takes place with the help of either insects or wind. If I have to deal with the question number 22, which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge digester for the further sewage treatment? If you do know, go for that is called as activated sludge or the bacterial flock. Deal with the case option number 3rd. Question number 23. Bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomate animal, that is none other than only one, called as Platyhelminthes. Deal with the case, they are acoelomate. Question number 24. The basic amino acid from the following. It's the lysine, which is the basic amino acid in the option. Question number 25. In which of the following technique the embryo are transferred to assist those females which cannot conceive? It is ZIFT and the IUT, zygote intrafallopian transfer and intrauterine transfer. Now question number 26. Which of the following statement about inclusion body is incorrect? So here they are saying that the inclusion bodies are involved in the ingestion of food particles. That is not correct at all. Rather they are responsible for the storage of the reserved food material. Deal with the case. Question number 27. The experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was. They are not asking about that the who proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance and you will be directly going with the Sutton and the Boveri. No, they are asking about the verification of the theory and that was given by Morgan. Go for question number 28. Select the option including all sexually transmitted diseases. So majority of you will be dealing with the AIDS, but still deal with the other options as well, because the malaria and the filaria are not at all sexually transmitted diseases, same as with the cancer. It's only the option 4th that's called as gonorrhea, syphilis and the genital herpes. Deal with the case. Question number 29. Which of the following statement is not correct? So I have gone for the second statement that is saying that the functional insulin has A and the B chain linked together by the hydrogen bond. That is not at all correct. Rather the bond's name is, yes, the bond's name is disulfide bond. Go for question number 30. Which is an important site of the formation of the glycoprotein and the glycolipid in the eukaryotic cell? Do remember one thing, majority of you will be dealing with it is the endoplasmic reticulum, which is called as a protein synthesizing machinery. But here they have added one word called as glycoprotein and the glycolipids. That glyco word is nothing but the carbohydrate, and you do know that the addition of the carbohydrate does occurs in the post office of the cell, and that is called as none other than Golgi bodies. Deal with the case. Now question number 31. Okay, question number 31, if I'll be dealing, the question is saying that match the following columns and select the correct option. Here you do have Clostridium butylicum, Trichoderma polysporum, Monascus purpureus and Aspergillus niger. If I have to deal, I'll be directly dealing with the A option, that is called as Clostridium butylicum, which is responsible for the formation of the butyric acid. And if I'll be dealing with all the options, only option number 1 is having A and the second. So this is what we call as a time saving method, or we call it as the elimination method. I've just gone for the rechecking or like the reconfirmation that the Aspergillus niger is responsible for the formation of the citric acid, and done. I'm done with the option number 1. Go for. You can save a lot of time by using these kinds of techniques and the tricks. Question number 32, guys. Embryological support for the evolution was disapproved by. It was none other than Carl Ernst von Baer. Go for. Question number 33. The sequence that controls the copy number of the linked DNA, in the vector is termed as Ori site, or we call it as Ori C. Go for. Question number 34. Which of the following is incorrect about viroids? Which of the following is incorrect about viroids? Here if you will be dealing, the incorrect answer, the correct answer is they have free RNA without the protein code. The only difference between the viruses and the viroids will be the viruses do have a protein code, but the viroids do not have. Question number 35. Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987 for the control of. It was signed for the control of emission of ozone depleting substance. So basically this was the reason. Now dealing with the question number 36, if I have to go for the number of the substrate level phosphorylation in 1 ton of the citric acid cycle is 1. Substrate level phosphorylation in 1 ton of citric acid is 1. Question number 37. Which of the following hormone level will cause release of ovum, or that is what we call as ovulation from the Graafian follicle? It is the high concentration of estrogen, option number 4. These are the general knowledge kind of question. Either you know the answer or you don't know the answer. You cannot go for the guessing of answer. Question number 38, boys. Select the correct match. What I did, I tried to go for the elimination, which means like the phenylketonuria or the thalassemia or the hemophilia, they were directly eliminated from my answers. So I directly had gone for the answer. Frankly speaking, I didn't know the answer of 38 number question, but still what I did, I tried to go for the other options, and at the end of the day, I came to the correct one. It is a sickle cell anemia, which is autosomal recessive trait on the chromosome number 11. Because the hemophilia is X-linked and here they are saying it's Y-linked, it will be incorrect. At the same time, thalassemia will be incorrect as well. And the phenylketonuria is a recessive trait. Deal with. Question number 39. Cuboidal epithelium with brush border of microvilli is found in. It is found in the PCT, that is what we call as a proximal convoluted tubule of nephron. for the more and the more absorption. Question number 40. Snow blindness in Antarctic region is due to, directly going for the answer, it is due to the inflammation of the cornea because of the ultraviolet B radiation. Ultraviolet rays are of three types: UVA, UVB and the UVC. Whereas UVA is not that much harmful, whereas UVB is causing the snow blindness or like the inflammation of the cornea, and UVC is lethal. Question number 41. Which of the following pair is of unicellular algae? It is none other than single cell protein, so you will be directly going for the answer. It's chlorella and the spirulina. Option number 3rd. Okay, dealing with the question number 42. Here you have the transverse action of the plant shows the following anatomical features. So I'll be directly going for the answer, that is called as monocotyledonous stem. The answer, monocotyledonous stem. Question number 43. How many true breeding pea plant varieties did Mendel select as pairs? So he basically selected 14 different characters. 14 different characters. They were divided into 7 pairs. So you don't have 7 here in the options. So you'll be directly going for the 14 as the answer. 44. Floridian starch has a structure similar to. You do know the answer. It's glycogen, which has a very similar structure as with the Floridian starch. So here the answer is amylopectin and the glycogen. Question number 45. Identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase of the interphase. So here the answer will be cell is metabolically active, grows but does not replicate the DNA. The replication do not occurs in the G1 phase, rather it occurs in the S phase. Very good. Question number 46. By which method was a new breed Hizadale of sheep formed? By the Bicaneri Eves and the Merino Rams. It was none other than the crossbreeding, or that is what we call as a crossbreeder. Okay, question number 47. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the immunity. Here, the wrong statement was active immunity is quick and gives full response. No, it's not. Deal with the case. Question number 48. The palindromic sequence. So it's last one, because if you are reading it from the 5' to the 3', GAATTC, again from the 5' GAATTC, it is the only one single option, and that is what we call as a palindrome, which can be read exactly same from either the direction. Question number 49 is kind of like, maybe you thought that this question is very tough, but this is not tough at all. That is what we call as the information of false. We call as the information of false. Here they are saying that the distance between the two consecutive base pair is 0.34 nanometer and the total number of the base pair is in a typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10 raised to 9. This is general knowledge. They are just asking you the length of the DNA in a normal cell, and the answer was 2.2 meter. This question was a tricky question. The whole statement is nothing but a single bookish language sentence. The length of the DNA is 2.2 meter. Go for this, guys. Question number 50. If the head of the cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because the direct answer is because the head holds a small portion of a nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral part of the body. This is the correct answer at all. Now, if I will be dealing with the question number 51. Okay. So here I am having question number 51 in front of me. Match the trophic level with the correct species example in the grassland. I'll be directly going for the answer. Extremely sorry, like I had gone for the wrong answer here in the question number 51. The correct answer will be, the first trophic level will be grass, the second trophic level will be rabbit, the third trophic level will be crow, and the fourth trophic level will be vulture. And that is, I guess, option number, maybe like which option, whatever it may be, but still like the correct will be grass, then rabbit, then crow, and then vulture. Go for it. Okay. Now, the enzyme enterokinase helps in the conversion of. So the function of the enzyme enterokinase is a conversion of trypsinogen into trypsin. Go for these, guys. Question number 53. Identify the correct statement with reference to the human digestive system. The correct answer is ileum is a highly coiled part. Ileum is a highly coiled part. Question number 54. Name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying on the sugarcane crop increases the length of the stem. At the end of the day, it will be increasing the sugar yield as well. So here it is a gibberellin which is responsible for increasing the length of the stem. Question number 55. Identify the wrong statement with regard to the restriction enzyme. And the wrong statement is they cut the strand of the DNA at palindromic sites. Basically, like the other options are they are much more correct. That's why I've gone for the choosing this option, because the other, they are useful in the genetic engineering. Rather, like the sticky end can be joined by using DNA ligase, and each restriction enzyme function by the inspecting the length of the DNA sequence. These all are correct, so ultimately I've gone for the option number 1. Okay. Question number 56. Match the following. Here again, like I'll be dealing with I do know one thing, that is like the collagen protein which possesses the peptide bond, and if I'll be dealing with the options, it's option 4. So I'm dealing with the answers. It is an inhibitor of catalytic activity. It's none other than malonate, which possesses the peptide bond. It is the collagen. Cell wall material in the fungi, we all do know it is chitin, and the secondary metabolite is ricin. So it's the option number 4. Question number 57. Guys, goblet cell of alimentary canal are modified from, they are made from, yes, columnar epithelial cells. Question number 58. Match the following columns and select the correct option. So if you will be dealing with the case, the A, 6 to 15 pairs of the gill slits is present in the cyclostome. The B, heterosulcal caudal fin, it is present in the chondric thighs. The C, air bladder is present in the ostick thighs, whereas poison is present in the trigone. So it is the option number 4. Question number 59. Dissolution of the synaptonemal complex occurs during. It occurs in the diplotin. Hopefully my students have made the correct option, because a lot of times I've taught you this. Dissolution of synaptonemal complex occurs during diplotin stage. Question number 60. Name the enzyme that facilitates opening of DNA helix during the transcription. Please do remember one thing, if you have gone for the helicase, that is the wrong answer, because here they are saying transcription. Here they are saying transcription. So the answer will be the RNA polymerase. Deal with this. Okay, coming on the question number 61, which is saying which of the following statement is correct. Directly going for the fourth answer, it's the adenine which pairs with the thymine through 2 hydrogen bonds. Question number 62. Which of the following region of the globe exhibits highest species diversity? So the highest species diversity is basically present in the Amazon forest. Go for it, guys. Question number 63. Here you have to deal with that which gland is responsible for which disease, like the abnormal function of which gland is responsible with the diseases. So I've directly gone for the answer. It's the option 2. Like the pituitary gland is basically responsible, like the malfunction of pituitary is basically responsible for the diabetes insipidus. Thyroid gland malfunction will be related with the Graves' disease. Adrenal gland problem will be related with the Addison disease, and the pancreas problem will be related with the diabetes mellitus. Option 2. Question number 64. The product of a reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodule of the leguminous plant is, it's not nitrate directly, rather it's ammonia and the hydrogen. It's ammonia and the hydrogen will be further reacting together, and then they'll be forming the nitrate. Go for it. Match the following concerning essential elements and their functions in the plant. Iron, it is present in the chlorophyll biosynthesis, or rather iron is present in the chlorophyll. Zinc will be found in the indole acetic acid biosynthesis. Boron, it is responsible for the pollen germination, and the manganese is responsible for the photolysis of water. Option number 2. Question number 66. Which of the following would help in the prevention of diuresis? Basically, like the continuous urination or the loss of much more water than the normal is called as diuresis. So the reabsorption of sodium and the water from renal tubules due to aldosterone, it will be helping the prevention of diuresis. Question number 67. Meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed at the time of the fusion of the sperm with the ovum. Till then it is arrested in the division phase. So again repeating, at the time of the fusion of the sperm and the ovum, then only the second meiotic division of the oocyte will takes place. Question number 68. Match the following column and select the correct option. It's the option number 1, in which you had A, gregarious polyphagous pest, that is what we call as the Locusta. Adult with radial symmetry and larva with bilateral symmetry. We do know this is nothing but the Echinodermata, and the example of the Echinodermata here is Asterias, that is what we call as the starfish. Bouclans is found in the scorpion, whereas bioluminescence will be shown by Ctenoplana. Option number 1, boys and girls. Question number 69, if I'll be dealing, I have to directly go for the question number 69. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Here, floating ribs, they do not connect with the sternum. Acromyon, this will be the clavicle. Scapula, it is located between the second and the seventh rib, and the glenoid cavity is the head of the humerus. Option number 3rd. Question number 70. Secondary metabolite such as nicotine, strychnine and caffeine, they are produced by the plant for their defense action. Option number 2. 71 number question. If I'll be dealing Bt cotton, that will be Bacillus thuringiensis. Adenosine deaminase deficiency, it is like for the gene therapy. Basically in gene therapy it can be treated. RNAi is for the cellular defense, and PCR technique is nowadays it is used for the detection of HIV infection. Option number 4. 72 number question. From his experiment, S.L. Miller produced amino acids by mixing the following in a closed flask. So basically it was methane, hydrogen and ammonia and water at 800 degree C. Go for it. Was the option number 4. Now question number 73. Match the organism with its use in the biotechnology. So Bacillus thuringiensis, it is responsible for the cry protein. Thermus aquaticus, it is responsible for the DNA polymerase activity in the PCR. Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it is for the cloning vector. And the last, the Salmonella typhimurium, it is for the for the Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it is a cloning vector, and basically like the Salmonella typhimurium, it is for the construction of first rDNA molecule. So the option here will be option number 1. Question number 74. Bt cotton variety that was developed by the introduction of toxin genes. Bt cotton variety that was developed by the introduction of the toxin genes of Bacillus thuringiensis is resistant to. Do remember that the Bt cotton is resistant to the insect pest only. Choose the correct pair from the following. Here majority of you have thought like it will be helicase, but no, it's not the helicase. Here you can deal with the answer as nuclease as well for the separation of the two strands of the DNA. Question number 76. The body of the ovule is fused within the funicle at hilum. The body of the ovule is fused within the funicle at hilum. Deal with the case. Now, question number 77. Strobili or the cones are found in the, hopefully my students have gone for the correct answer. It is the equisetum. Question number 78. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Eosinophil, they are responsible for releasing the histaminase and the destructive enzymes. Basophils, they are responsible for releasing granules containing histamine. Neutrophils, they are responsible for the phagocytosis. And the last but not the least one, lymphocytes, which are responsible for the immune response. Option number 4, boys and girls. 79 number question. Identify the substance having glycosidic bond and the peptide bond respectively in their structure. Hopefully my students have gone for the correct answer, because I have taught them that the inulin is a carbohydrate and the insulin is a protein, and the carbohydrates have the glycosidic bond whereas the proteins have the peptide bond. Option number 3rd, inulin and the insulin. Question number 80. In relation to the gross primary productivity and the net primary productivity of an ecosystem, which one of the following is correct? It's the question number 1, which is, it's the option number 1. It is a gross primary productivity is always more than the net primary productivity, which means the total income is always more than whatever the income is left after the expenses. Question number 81. Match the following column and select the correct option. Placenta. Only one single answer can go for the correct directly pocket marks. Placenta is responsible for the secretion of HCG, what we call as the human chorionic gonadotropin. Option number 3. Deal with this, that is the correct answer. Question number 82. Which of the following is not an attribute of a population? It is the species interaction which is not the attribute of the population, whereas natality, mortality and the sex ratio does play a role in the population. Question number 83. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Here they have the organ of Corti, which is located on the basilar membrane. They have the cochlea, which is the coiled part of the labyrinth. They have the eustachian tube, which connects the middle ear and the pharynx. Hopefully, like only if you do know about the eustachian tube, you will be directly going for the answer. And the steps, which is the oval window attachment. Deal with the case. Option number 2. Question number 84. Which of the following is the most abundant protein in the animal world? Hopefully you do know. My students always know this, that the most abundant protein in the animal world is collagen, whereas the most abundant protein in the plant world is the rubisco. Now, on the last page of your paper, it is the of your biology. It is a question number 85. Match the following with respect to the meiosis. So you'll be directly going for the zygote is the synapse formation. Bacchitin is the crossing over. Diplotin is the chiasma formation, and the dikinesis is the terminalization. It is just simple. Like A, B, C, D, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is option number 1. Question number 86. According to the Robert May, the global species diversity is about. This question is again the general knowledge question. Either you know the answer or you do not know the answer. It is 7 million. Question number 87. The ovary is half inferior in. The ovary is half inferior in plume. The ovary is half inferior in plume. Now, question number 88. Question number 88. Select the correct statement. Glucocorticoid stimulate gluconeogenesis. That is the formation of the glucose other than carbohydrate. That is the formation of the glucose other than carbohydrate. Question number 89. The process responsible for facilitate loss of water in the liquid form from the tip of the grass blade at night and in early morning is. Now, hopefully majority of you have gone for the transpiration, and that is what the answer should be, that the process responsible for the facilitation of the loss of water in liquid form from the tip of the grass blade. But they have gone for one word called as night or in the early morning. You do know for the formation or for occurring the process of the transpiration, there should be sunlight. So here the answer is not exactly the transpiration, rather the answer is root pressure. Go for this, boys and girls. The last but not the least question of our session, it is some dividing cells exit the cell cycle and enter the vegetative inactive stage. This is called as quiescent stage, or what we call as G0. This process occurs at the end of, basically do not occurs at the proper end of, but it does occur in the G1 phase. It does occur in the G1 phase. Just after the completion of the M phase, either the cell will be directly going in the G1 and then like the G1 and the S, or the cell will be slipping from the G1 to the G0, or what we call as a stationary phase. Hopefully this paper solution discussion is very much beneficial for you. Thank you guys, thank you very much for your support. I am overwhelmed that because like since a long time I have not uploaded a single video, but still you guys are like literally very much supporting. Many of you were asking that why I'm not uploading. There were some issues, but each and every issue has been sorted out right now, and I'll be directly uploading all the lectures whatever I have till now, and I'm making continuously like a lot of new lectures. Thank you for your so much support and love. Please do subscribe, and one more thing, you have to like my videos. Please do like my videos, because we are getting much more ratings as compared to the other videos which are not liked. So if you are watching this, do one thing only, share this video, like this, and hopefully you have already subscribed. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.